So the only mod we've done to this car, right there. For some reason, BMW in all their glory thought, let's leave that piece piano black. So we fixed that. Looks much better. And that's the only thing we're doing. We're not changing anything else on this. Don't worry about all that. We're gonna go meet with the guys at Eurocharged today, and well, we're gonna take our stock car and make it not stock. Really not stock.
Good morning, everyone. I am Akram. I am the owner of Eurocharged Dallas. We are a European service and performance specialty shop. We specialize in Mercedes, BMWs, Lamborghini, Audi, Porsche, and a whole bunch of other Euro cars. We do everything from your basic service to extreme performance. We offer in-house tuning, and we have an all-wheel drive dyno jet.
He's being real nice and not really shouting himself out. This guy's a badass when it comes to European cars. So we have a bunch of parts. I know I talked about like, yeah, it's an enthusiast car. We're gonna keep it stock. We ain't keeping up the stock. It's been stock for 3 weeks. That was 3 weeks, way too long. Today we're doing, full exhaust. Intakes.
And some visual
stuff, some carbon stuff. And we're doing a dyno run right now to get a base preliminary. At the end of the day, we're gonna do another dyno to see what we pull.
Finish up with the dyno to see how much power we gain.
Beautiful.
It's not hot, it's a little humid, so.
Yeah, it's not terrible. I mean, there's rain, so unfortunately the humidity's up.
Right, but no. it should stay consistent throughout the day, so the numbers should be pretty true to themselves.
Absolutely, and the other aspect I'm looking at, like the intakes are cool. That's more of a sound thing for me because the intakes that are on here aren't terrible stock. However, I think one of the biggest gains we're gonna get is we're going with an equal leaf mid pipe, and we're gonna be releasing a lot of the turbulence from a crossover pipe. That in itself is going to help the turbo spool a little bit faster, and I think that's where we're going to see our biggest power gains.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's get into it.
Let's do it.
Now, this thing's stock is supposed to be 503, right? I absolutely believe we're about to see a number higher than that. BMW is known, they're absolutely known for underrating their power from stock. I don't know why, from factory. Like, 503, this thing feels like it's faster. Put in the comments right now, what do you think this thing's about to put down? Because I think it's going to be a little bit higher. I'm gonna push 525, 530. What do you think it's gonna be at the end of the day? We'll show you all the parts here in a minute. But first, let's get some dyno runs in, baby. It's been a minute since I've been on a dyno, I'm stoked. Plus, I kinda wanna see how this thing sounds from the outside because I never really get to hear it. And we need some sound clips because it's gonna change a lot today. Survey says, 483, way lower than we were thinking. Oh, we're definitely getting that over 5 today. Stock, this is our base for today, 490.6, 478 torque, which honestly, yeah, it's not the 503, that is less than 2% parasitic loss. I will take that all day long. Okay, so what exactly are we putting there to pull in more power today? Y'all don't understand. So we have the full Valvetronic. We're doing the equal leaf mid pipe. And then over here we are running the RK front mount intercooler, and we do have a carbon fiber look. I'm not one of these fake YouTubers. A carbon fiber look grill going on the front. Why a fake one, Alex? Because it's gonna get rock chips, it's gonna get damaged, and I could buy another one. Just a smart decision, but let's get in on this install. Up over there, getting ready to throw that whole table of craziness in there. They pulled this guy in. Check this out right here, man. F80 M3, I mean, the raised wheels instantly got me, but let's get you some B-roll of this monster. Yeah. Oh, booger welds too. Those are terrible. What were you doing? Oh, don't let your friends weld, people. God. So besides these booger welds you see here, one of the other big reasons I wanted the Valvetronic exhaust with the equally mid pipe was to get rid of this crossover pipe. So both turbos are going to be in this area. That's where both of these connect to, are the turbos, or the downpipes to the turbos. That is just an extra piece that has to go through, which is going to cause turbulence. It's going to reduce turbo spool. It's just robbing you of horsepower. So getting rid of that and going equally mid pipe is actually going to give me a little bit of power right out of the gate. Plus this, I mean, here, let's see. I mean, it ain't light by any means. Good Lord, so we're gonna save some weight too, even better. Bam, on the first try. We got real professionals in the building. What's up, Dave? It's raining its ass off. But in here, we're making all kinds of progress. Bumper's off. Most of the Valvetronic system is on. The fake CSL grill is now in the front bumper. And then they're gonna start on the rktunes front mount intake. And then we button everything up. Good news is though, I got to clean the brakes because trying to get behind the A26M, those guys, trying to get behind those wheels to clean your brakes, damn near impossible. But we're making progress, we're moving right along. You you having fun?
Oh, I'm having a blast.
Thank you for not hawk-toing my car. I really appreciate it. So, update, exhaust is on. We got a little bit of fine-tuning to do back there. It has been, it's been a day. What would you say?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's been a day.
Just a tad?
Just a normal day.
Now we're trying to fit, apparently, the world's, oh my God, what is the PG way of saying this? The world's tightest intake. Yeah, I don't think we'll get a strike for that. We're trying to get this locked in, and then it's just playing button-up games, and then we get to make a little more noise. We just got to make sure this gentleman doesn't lose his mind right now.
That's what I'm here for.
This is what he's working with. You see how like tight all this is? Check this out. He's trying to get everything through that little hole over there.
I'm thinking I might cut some more off. Yeah, you may have. I mean, I don't see what there is left to cut. Because, I mean, I got this right here. I mean, I can take it off. I mean, this is the only thing left. I don't think that'd be stopping me.
This is why I came to y'all, because I would have already burnt the car down. I'm not gonna tell you, but it has been an evening. So intakes are in. This grill though, insane. Last thing to do is put the harness in, the engine cover, but the RK intakes are in. The Valvetronic exhaust is on. The fake ass CSL grill is in, and I don't care what any of y'all say. That looks amazing. And now, to make the night a little bit longer, it's gonna go back on the dyno.
Yeah, make some power.
Make some power. It's a little bit cooler too, so we'll get skewed numbers. What do you think?
Yeah, I think I want to go home.
I feel you. I feel you. How long's your drive home?
4 minutes.
How long's mine?
Could be 4 minutes.
It could. I mean, you're right. I've seen me do it. I've seen me do it. Get them final numbers and everybody can go home, but it's been a day, gentlemen.
Yeah.
But
What we love, so it's all good.
ooh, boy. First startup. Oh, that's different. So that's open. That's closed. It's so different on that. God, that is a massive difference. Give it some. That sounds damn good. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now we need some of that intake noise. Hold on. Give me some whopish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we did good, boys. We did good. This is what happens when you give a car a whole different personality. A whole ass different personality.
Tell me you're good.
Just look at it, bro. Now to get that final dyno run in. Let's see if we made some more power today. Hey man, you can't be giving the car a virus, bro. Come on. It has been a day. We're getting strapped down, getting that last run in. There's been plastic fabrication. We've been trying to. I saw both of these gentlemen do a hot tour to be able to fit an intake.
That's what you gotta do.
Hey, you know, I don't judge, dude. Hey, job got done.
It ain't stupid if it works.
It's not stupid if it works. You're 100% right. We're gonna get that final dyno run in, and then I think I speak for all of us when I say we're all ready to go home.
Just a little bit.
It's been a day. A day. BMW though, I know they're not gonna agree with me because I work on a lot of Mercedes. I still think it's much easier than Mercedes because the dumbest things on the Brabus took all day. All day. Remember chasing that vacuum leak? I remember. I'll never forget, and I never want to do it again. It is not quiet. Oh boy. Ooh. Oh, we like that. Okay, here we go, run one. Whoa, boy. All right. Something ain't right.
Hey, last power.
We Oh God. Sounds so good. All right, we jumped 11. Not wanting to play tonight.
Oh, because when I do trim, the smoothing goes to 0. That's why. So when the smoothness is at 0, it's more accurate data points, but it looks choppy. So typically, everyone goes to smoothing 5, especially tuners and stuff, because it just looks cleaner in a graph.
Yeah.
But
yeah, because that first one definitely looked like a Michael J. Fox signature.
Right.
Oh, you didn't like that one?
Oh,
Welcome to 86
I was
Face.
gonna say, I love that one. I wasn't expecting.
The sarcasm is unmatched, trust me.
You can see the gains throughout the power band over here, especially on the low end. You can see these are your individual gains per RPM.
So, kind of explain to the people real quick where we don't have a tune. You're saying it's needing to relearn fuel trim, it's needing to relearn how people drive.
Flashing the tune will pretty much reset all the adaptations of the fuel trims and whatnot. So by not doing the tune, or even just manually resetting the adaptations just by software of like the BMW software, the car just has to learn on its own that, okay, hey, I'm getting more air, I'm flowing more exhaust. So that's why we see that after a few runs, the first run obviously was less because it's like, wait, what's going on? And it was a lot more choppier. And then as we did a few more pulls, it started to smooth out a bit and the power started to gain a little bit. And then we let the car rest for 5 minutes and cool down a little bit. And that's where it did 495. Now, realistically, if we wait another 15, 20 minutes and let it cool down more, maybe we can touch 500.
Yeah, because the problem now is like
Heat soak.
back to back heat soak. You're just pulling in hot air. The engines, everything's already hot. It's just gonna pull power or pull timing at that point.
But I mean, realistically, to make the most of these mods, you should definitely tie in with the tune. So.
Shh, it's coming. It's coming. Bam. All right, guys, that's all we got for you tonight. I mean, that's $5,000 worth of mods done. Boom. Game over. Spent the whole day with Eurocharged. If you are in the Dallas area and you need anything done, come see my guys. They'll take care of you. We're all tired. We all want something to eat. He has a football team at home to take care of. So we're gonna leave it at that. Like, share, subscribe, all that craziness. Stay savage.